How to find contact info settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find contact info settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and then go down again until you find the profile information. Click on it and scroll down. Here you will find contact info, and as you see here you can manage it, and here you can change your email and anything you want. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.